What if a simple cup of tea could help with energy, immunity, and even skin problems? Well, it turns out, it can. Stinging nettles, often seen as a pesky weed, are actually a powerful health ally, packed with benefits that target a range of common issues. We start by cutting the top leaves of the nettle plants. Once the leaves are clipped, they're left to regrow stronger. Instead of pulling up the whole plant, we give it a chance to thrive, knowing it will come back even more powerful. This process is key by allowing nettles to regenerate. We can harvest them again and again, creating a sustainable source of nutrients. Drinking nettle tea regularly can do wonders for your body. For starters, it's an excellent way to boost your energy levels, especially if you're dealing with fatigue or low iron. Nettle leaves are packed with iron, which is crucial for red blood cell production and oxygen transportation throughout your body. This simple tea can make you feel more energized without the crash that comes with sugary energy drinks. Once we've gathered our fresh nettles, we bring them inside to wash them thoroughly. You'll want to remove any dirt, bugs, or dust that might have settled on the leaves. After a gentle rinse, we lay the nettles out to dry. The drying process is simple, but essential once the leaves are fully dried. The sting is almost gone, making them safe enough to handle and ready for tea. They're still a little too damp here, which gives me the perfect opportunity to share a bit more about the amazing benefits of nettle tea. Nettle tea is also a great natural remedy for strengthening your immune system. Packed with vitamin C, it helps fight off infections and keeps you feeling strong during flu season. It's also a go-to solution for allergy sufferers. If you're struggling with sneezing, itchy eyes, or a stuffy nose during pollen season, nettles act as a natural antihistamine, reducing those annoying symptoms without any harsh chemicals. And now that we've washed and dried our nettles, everything we don't use goes straight into a container for later use. Now, with dried nettles in hand, it's time to brew up the magic. Simply steep the leaves in hot water, and within minutes, you have a cup of tea that's rich in vitamins and minerals, ready to do wonders for your body. To add some extra flavor to our tea, we also gather other dried plants from the garden. First up is chamomile, known for its calming and soothing properties. It's a great addition to any tea, but for today, we're not adding it just yet. We've also got some valerian, known for its relaxing effects, but we're skipping that too. Instead, we add strawberry leaves, which are packed with antioxidants and have a mild, pleasant flavor. That pairs perfectly with nettles. Finally, we top it all off with a little lavender, which adds a touch of floral sweetness and promotes relaxation. So, next time you spot nettles growing in your garden, don't just see them as an annoying weed. See them for what they really are, a treasure trove of nutrients and health benefits, waiting to be turned into something nourishing. A cup of nettle tea is like sipping nature's best kept secret, and with just a little care, you can enjoy its many rewards, season after season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might want to grow their own health. You can grow it.